They got me a 2-pack of chuck roast here, and originally I was going to just smoke one today, but Dolores said go ahead and smoke 2, and she's going to use the second one in a day or so and make some stew out of it. I figure we'll go ahead and season both of them identical. Just got a little bit of a sea salt here, of course sea salt, and we'll sprinkle right on top, and then just some McCormick black pepper. And now that we've got it kind of seasoned all around with that salt and pepper to start, we're going to go ahead and add some butter. But this is some garlic butter. It also has some Parmesan cheese, herbs, a little basil in it. So I'm just going to coat it completely with this. Look at that. And then just like that, got the butter all on it. And we're going to use a couple of seasonings on these. I've got some cow cover from Cosmos, which is really one of my favorites. And we're going to add a little bit of Jolly Roger's jalapeno, garlic black rub. Cow cover. So the biggest challenge is going to be getting the butter to stay on there, at least during the initial cook. So I went ahead and I'm going to start it off in a little pan. It's got holes in the bottom to allow the smoke to still come up. We're going to throw this on the pit boss. We're going to go ahead and crank this up to about 225 degrees. You can see that butter. It's starting to melt a little bit. I'm going to add a little more cow cover right on top. And then let it do its thing. So yeah, we'll keep an eye on it, check on it here in a little bit, see how it does. I've never added the butter like this. I've done it after I've wrapped it. Okie here, just out back in my backyard kitchen. It's 22 degrees, so it's going to take a little while. Look at this. Oh, are you kidding me? The butter has melted flat on. The smell is amazing. It's a little over an hour in, and that's what we've got going on right now. So you really shouldn't open this to look at it, but I can't help to and wanted to show you guys. So let's close it back up. Now it's been over 6 hours. That just looks incredible. Take a close look. Let's check the temperature. 165. Above 180. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and wrap them up. Don't that just look cool right there? Right on that nice little spatula. Number 2. So like I've been doing in the past, just going to add a little Worcestershire. Putting it on both of them. And we'll be doing this one. You smell that?
Mm-hmm. It smells delicious. Are you putting it back on it?
Gonna put it back on. There we go. Now we just got them back on here. Gonna cook them to about 190, 200 degrees. And I didn't mention that this is what I was using today. It's Grill's Gold Competition Maple, Hickory, and Cherry. But I use all different kinds of pellets, so just usually the ones that are about 10 bucks for 20 pounds, and I've had great success with every one I've tried. So we'll be putting these indoors here in a minute and seeing how they look, slice into it. Well, you can just smell this, I'm telling you, can't you? Smells absolutely amazing. Got one here. We're going to open this one. The one on this side over here, Dolores actually going to use that. Going to put it in a crock pot?
Yeah, for some stew.
You'll make some stew for that, like tomorrow or something. But here is what we got going on today.
Yeah, it smells delicious too.
Wow, juicy, steam coming out of it. We let it rest for about a half hour or maybe even a little longer. Cooked it to about 205 to 210 degrees. This thing basically cooked in butter the whole way. With all that nice seasoning, definitely got juice with it. Let's just see how it does here.
Oh dang, look at that.
Pulls right apart. That's some good stuff right there. It'll be good on get some barbecue sauce. Really don't need any. Try a piece.
That's good.
Really, really good. Right there, chuck roast. They call it the poor man's brisket. Yeah, it's really not a whole lot cheaper. This was a little over $4 a pound, but you get it in smaller portions instead of a big old brisket. And cooked there with that garlic butter and herbs. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys soon.